Hey guys, the Mechanic Man 92 here. So today it's a toolbox tour and a quick update. So for those of you that haven't seen, this is my new workbench that I made, a vise and a bench grinder up there. And then right now I'm also working on making a small cart. So got the rest of the wood for it in the back of the garage. I plan on putting 4 casters around, so that'll be fun. Got an air compressor that I got from Buddy. Post another video about that another time. I got rid of my Husky toolbox. It was falling apart, so bought this one about a week ago. So this is the U.S. General 5-drawer service cart. So let's open it up. So right here, have all my sockets, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and then half. 1/4 inch and 3/8 are gear wrench. The 1/2 inch is just a different variety. Soon I plan on getting gear wrench, that way they all match. Here are just some other ones. I have my 10mm set, my spline sockets, and my wobble ones, 1/4 inch and 3/8. And I have some adapters for my impact driver. The majority of my ratchets are right here. I have a Husky, Harbor Freight, Cobalt, and some Craftsman over there. In the back I have all my other sockets like Allen's, Torx, Phillips screwdriver heads, so it's there. Then I have my Snap-on 100mm in length, 10 and 11mm sockets. I have some Torx right here. My impact sockets, which are Harbor Freight. Then over here I have my gear wrench screwdrivers, my upholstery tools, the panel clip pliers, panel clip pullers. Also have my breaker bars right there. So now let's go in the first drawer. Have my Snap-on pick set. Have my Milwaukee bit sets that I have right here. I like those. Have some Pittsburgh mini screwdriver set. Rest of my ratchets have Pittsburgh right here. Composite. This is my gear wrench 120 XP ratchet. My other gear wrench. Extensions, my Snap-on 1/4 inch ratchet, thumb wheel, Sunex ratchet, then older Craftsman one back there. This is my pliers drawer and a wood clamp right there. Just all your typical pliers, a lot of vice grip. Tin snips over here. Got my Milwaukee crescent wrench down over there. Here I have my wrenches. Have a couple more at work, but what I plan on doing is getting a cheaper set of wrenches, probably from Harbor Freight, bringing those to work, and then keeping my good stuff here. So, down here, have my impact tools, some of my hammers, my torque wrench, and my Makita impact driver. So, Ingersoll Rand. This one's a Harbor Freight one. Ingersoll Rand cutoff wheel, Craftsman 1/2 inch, Ingersoll Rand angle die grinder, Matco body hammer set, my DeVilbiss GTI Pro spray gun, my Matco Palm DA, and under here have the rest of my hammers. Got a rubber mallet, dead blow, regular claw, got a hacksaw, some drill bits back there, some plastic applicators, weather stripping gasket adhesive, rubber wheel, and just some more shit back there. And then here I got some more shit that I gotta put away. Got another one of these I got for Christmas. Mini screwdriver set right there. This level, that's also a ruler. And a magnet. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to make a quick video for the new year. It's fucking cold in the garage right now. We have a blizzard going on, so yeah. Didn't go to work today, so I decided to just make a quick video for you guys. Yeah, I'll probably go live sometime soon. Want to start making videos again. It's just been really crazy lately. But yeah, anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. I'll put down my social media links in the description. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.